Hey, check this out, man. I've been going through it, man. I ain't gonna lie, man, for like the last 2 weeks, emotionally with my partner. But hey, man, we gonna keep our head up, man. Hey, everything happens for a reason, man. And say, man, the dude was a blessing to me, man. I was a blessing to him, man. And I know my boy gonna look up, from up there or whatever, man. And hey, it's all love, man. But hey, let's get to this video right here, man. We back at the white girl ass, man. We back with the white girl, man. Y'all know what it is, man. There she go. Yeah. Top drop shouting, man. Hey, but we got another mod for her today. They keeping me busy, brother. I ain't gonna cap. They keep me busy, man. But we got another mod for her today, man. I need y'all to stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. If this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button, man. I'm trying to keep it live for y'all, man. Tap that like and subscribe button for me, man. And leave me comments below. I love the comments, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all see big baby back there. But hey, man, let's get to it, man. The only thing about making these videos right here, man, is you just can't wait till nighttime, man.
They good enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, holla.
Yep. Just can't wait till nighttime, man. Nighttime is gonna show what it do, man, for real. But let me get to this business, man. I'm gonna get right back. In person, then I'm looking on the camera. Look how bright it is on camera. Mm-hmm. In person, it's way more yellow.
Yeah, it's a little light on the camera.
Let me see if we can. Uh-oh. Got them up under there, too. Mm-hmm. Had to light that grill up.
Yeah.
Let's see what else we got. Got that sky blue.
Oh, so you just hitting button?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you can turn it up brighter, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I see that. That baby blue powder, blue sexy,
That's
too.
going hard, right?
Yeah.
All right, then we go to the other settings. Where we at with it? Bam.
Oh, that's that one. Yeah, that's that rainbow.
Hey man, make sure you hit that like subscribe button for me, man. Hit that notification bell, man, too, man. So you can see all my videos is coming up next, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's DG Chevy Gang.